Coming up on DonyB TV.
Music by DUDE.
Hey, it's your girl DonyB, and welcome back to another Clean With Me. This Clean With Me, I am super duper excited. Now, would you believe me if I told you that I am still opening Christmas presents? Yes, I am still opening Christmas presents. My husband bought me a cordless vacuum cleaner for Christmas, and I am just now opening it. And what better way than to test it out by cleaning up his space upstairs?
Trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day?
Let me take this time out now to introduce myself. My name is Donyb Broadway, hence the name of my channel, Donyb Broadway. I am a wife and work from home mom of two little beautiful boys. Here on my channel, you will find mom life, vlogging, natural hair, and other lifestyle type videos. And if this is something that you're interested in, which I'm sure it is, which is why you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything, and also introduce yourself down below in my comments. So without further ado, let's continue by cleaning this mess.
Forever teach you how to wait. Just a little taste, just a little taste. Won't you tell me something I wouldn't know? Make me wanna see you again before I go. I don't need a boyfriend to give me something close. Give me something close, give me something close. You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said. Lie to cover up the feelings, let it end, it end, it end, it end. Why do we keep on keeping secrets? Why do we keep on keeping secrets?
If you have made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for continued support. Also, go and check out my playlist. I have everything broken down for you. I have some cook with me, some clean with me, some hair videos, pregnancy vlogs, etc. So take a look around. I'm sure you will find something else that you would like to view.
Smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring.
Y'all, dust builds up so much in my house. I mean, I find myself constantly and continuously dusting.
It's you, oh you, the second I saw you. I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
I have to be completely honest and transparent. I have never, ever cleaned my windows nor my window sill in the 3 years that I have been living here in my house. And as you will see, as you continue to watch, it has become very bad.
Been losing my mind, like being lost young.
See, I told you.
Reversing, you know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
I picked up this LA's Totally Awesome all-purpose cleaner and degreaser and spot remover from my local Dollar General. The scent is Cherry Blossom. I've always seen the original version in the Dollar Tree, the yellow one. I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. But I saw this one and I wanted to try it out, and it actually smells pretty good. Not to mention, it was only $1.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong?
If I tell you that I am so excited and so geeked about this vacuum cleaner, baby, I am so excited about this. My husband picked this up for me for Christmas, and some of you may say, oh my God, your husband got you a household appliance. But babe, this is what I asked for, and that is exactly what he got me. I wanted to try out the cordless vacuum cleaner because I want to try out something that's a little more lightweight and easier to use, because with my regular vacuum cleaner, especially like in this room, I would have to move the cord around like 2 different times because the cord is not long enough to capture the whole room. So with this cordless vacuum cleaner, just as long as I make sure that it is charged, I can just move about and vacuum without any interruptions, and I am so in love with it. Here I'm just demonstrating to you that it has multiple suction functions. It goes from low suction to high suction.
Hey you, we could be more. Hey you, on it. Yeah, it's true, you're all I want. You're all I want. I lose my own sight. And now, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me?
And now I'm just gonna Lysol the couch. I don't know if you could tell, but I have a slight cold as we speak. My little one brought home a little bug from the daycare, and we all know how that goes. If you have been watching my videos, we all know that I love me a good vacuum line. I mean, check out these vacuum lines. Thank you so much for watching. This was just a quick video to show you my new vacuum cleaner. And also in the meantime, I hope that it was some great motivation in order to get you up and moving and cleaning up that little mess that you've been trying to overlook for the past couple days. On your way out, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And catch you next time. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of DonyB TV. On your way out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy your day.